Morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to discuss class 8. Subject is computer science, and here is new chapters. Let's learn Photoshop. This is the first day of this chapters. So today I will give you the introductions about the Photoshop. We define about the Photoshop. So this is the chapters. Let's learn Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, it is also called as Photoshop. It is simply name Adobe Photoshop. We can say as Photoshop. It is a photo editing software. Here is the term editing. Editing means to say we are changing the photo. So this is a photo editing software. We can able to manipulate. It is used to edit. Edit to means to change, manipulate. Against we can say manipulates according to our one desire. And recolor mean to say one of the colors, previous color is there, but we don't like this. Then we can against recolors by this required colors, whatever you want in the photograph, and creates a special effect on that photo. So that's this is very useful software, Adobe Photo software, and by using this software we can able to create a special effects according to our desires. So this is generally used by the artist. It is generally used by the artist, and we can also say photo editors, which is doing editing of the photos. We take let's some examples. Have any pimples on the face, and we want to remove that pimples. So through the erasers we can erase that pimples. And against the dark colors we can make it white colors. Again, so many changes we can do in the photos, and we can able to create a special effect on that photo, so that photographs looks very attractive, and we can use that photo. Okay, it's next use by the DTP operators. Here DTP, full form of DTP is desktop publishers, operators. So desktop publishing, publishing means to say some of the magazines, books, of newspapers is going to publish. Before going to publish, it has one of the cover page, front page, and that page should be very attractive, looks beautiful. So this operators this operators is using the Adobe Photoshop, and by using such type of softwares they are designing the magazines or newspapers, books like that. So its page and cover page look like very attractive. So it is used by DTP operators, desktop publishing operators. So here is some of the introductive sessions of Photoshop, and this photo editing softwares we learn about some more details. In the next class I will discuss about how actually we are going to open the Adobe Photoshop. Just like the MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, we are also going to open the Adobe Photoshop. And after opening the Adobe Photoshop, then we will learn more details about that, what are their components of that videos. So I will discuss all those things, more details in the next video. So how was this video? You have to write the comments. Okay, thank you.